you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do by now. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.4 thousand of you, which I am so thankful for. You guys make my day so much, and I love you so much. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I film a lot of Lush videos, but I do like to throw in a different video every now and then just to spice it up, and that is exactly what today's video is going to be. So as of recently, I've become very obsessed with crystals. Now, this hasn't been something that I have been into for a long time. It's very recent, as in when I'm filming this video, it's been about a week. I have been absolutely obsessed, and I have spent so much money on crystals recently that I thought it was only fair to share with you what I've bought in a video, so it makes it somehow worth it. And I feel like any of you guys that are into crystals, you can give me all your advice and your tips, because I am so new to this. I have no idea what I'm really doing, and I would love the help. So if you guys are into crystals, let me know down below and let me know any advice you have, because I would so highly appreciate it, because I'm a little bit confused, not gonna lie. Essentially what I have here is 3 different hauls of crystals, kind of. I have a couple that I've had for a long time, and I have some that I bought from the Psychic Tree. I also went to a shop in Bath and bought some there, and then my mum and dad also picked me up some from when they went to Lyme Regis. So I have a massive haul to share with you, and I'm very excited. So I'm not going to kind of dwell too much on the meanings of each crystal, because this video would be incredibly long, and I just kind of want to show you what I've bought. So if you guys want maybe another video on an in-depth kind of what these crystals do, then let me know. But if not, I will let you know what they're called, I will let you know the prices, where I got them from, and you guys can have a little research, because otherwise this video would be hours long. So I hope you guys don't mind, I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to start off with the jewellery pieces. Now, from the Psychic Tree, I bought myself 4 of their chip crystal bracelets. Now, I mainly bought these because I thought I could wear these most days, kind of have them on under my clothes or on show, whatever, and it's just an easy way to kind of travel with your crystals. So the first one I got, I will be reading the names off my phone, by the way, I can't always remember. I have the new Jade Serpentine Stone Chip Bracelet. I believe this one was £2.99, so really affordable. Everything on the Psychic Tree was actually very affordable. I think I only bought 3 pieces or so that were a bit more expensive, so I will go through those obviously as well. But this is what I bought. It's absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful light green colour, and I just absolutely love it. So I bought myself this one. I then picked up an Apatite bracelet. Now, this one I believe was £3.99, so a little bit more expensive, and I do know that this really helps for things like determination, and it really aids towards weight loss, which I love. So I picked this one up. No idea whether it will work and stop me from eating chocolate for breakfast, but I'm hoping so, because something needs to help me. So I bought that one as well. As an Aquarius, I absolutely love amethyst, so I had to get myself an amethyst chip bracelet, again £2.99, and I love amethyst a lot. It has to be one of my all-time favourite crystals. I mean, I'm only just getting into them, but I have had amethyst crystals for a long time. So yeah, it's definitely something I've loved forever, and I just absolutely love this, so got myself that one. I then had to get myself a citrine one, which is really great for things like success and wealth and things like that. So had to pick this one up. This one was also £3.99, so these two were the slightly more expensive ones, but it's such a beautiful orange, yellow, clear colour, and I absolutely love the look of it, so I picked that one up as well. Sticking with jewellery, the next 2 things were gifted from my parents, and they are both blue topaz. The first thing is this ring. I absolutely love it, and they've also bought me some earrings as well. These are beautiful kind of flower earrings, and I absolutely love these. And I did have a brief Google on blue topaz, and it's supposed to help with success, following the right path, wealth, and that kind of thing. So definitely something I need, and I absolutely love it. So thank you, mum and dad. Obsessed with these. I cannot wait to wear them, and I just love it. So yeah, thank you very much. And the last jewellery piece I actually bought myself, and I got this from the Crystal Shop in Bath. Really lovely shop there, and the lady was so helpful and so kind, so I really had a good time. And this is the piece I picked up. This is a piece of Aqua Aura. I had never heard of this before, but for some reason I saw this and it just really drew me in, and I knew that I really wanted a piece of crystal that I could wear as a necklace and that kind of thing. But Aqua Aura is really good for things like, I have it written down just so I didn't forget, prosperity, wealth and success, and it brings abundant energies that attract a great number of blessings towards you, which I just thought was something you can always do with. You really want to have kind of good vibes, positive vibes, people you love all around you, and I think that this was just a really beautiful crystal. I don't know, it just really drew me in, and I do truly believe that with crystals you need to go with your gut, and if you find yourself attracted to something, that is the crystal for you. So yeah, I love this. I also bought the chain. They are both silver, so I could wear them in the shower if I wanted to. I definitely won't, but I could if I wanted to, because I don't know whether you can actually get this crystal wet. Some of them can't get wet, so I would definitely wear it in the shower. In terms of price, the pendant was £15. It was originally 30, but it was on a half price deal, and the chain was 9, so really affordable I think for silver. Something I can wear every day if I wanted to, and I love it. And I think what I might do as well is get myself some different pendants so I can change it up throughout the day, and yeah, just really impressed with my purchase, love it. So now moving on to all my tumbled stones, but before I do just want to mention that I bought a selenite cleansing bowl. This is just a really good crystal for cleansing other crystals, so I got a bowl to put all my tumbled stones in because some of them can be quite small and I just don't want to lose any of them, so I thought this would be really great, and it just looks really pretty to have on my drawers. So moving on to the tumbled stones, before I get into the ones I got from the psychic tree, I do have 3 to mention. Now the first one is a rose quartz. Rose quartz is really good for love, not only love towards others and others towards you, but also self-love as well. So I have this. I got this ages ago. I couldn't tell you where I got it from, but it's a really, really beautiful crystal. Very affordable as well. If you're just starting to get into crystals, it's a really good one to have because something like this probably only costs like £1.50, so it's an absolute bargain in my opinion. I also got 2 from the crystal store in Bath. Now the annoying thing is that on the receipt it doesn't say what these crystals are. All I know is that they cost £5.50 for both of them. I couldn't tell you what they are, but Ryan picked them out for me because I really wanted him to pick a couple crystals that just drew to him, if that makes sense. And these are the 2 he picked. And this one is actually a bead, which is really cool, so you could wear it on a necklace or something. But yeah, I have these 2. If you guys are into crystals and you know what these are, please let me know because I have no idea. I think this began with a C, but I can't remember. So let me know if you know, I would really appreciate it. So now I'm going to do a quick fire round of all the tumbled stones I got. So this one is New Jade. It's a really beautiful green colour. I love that one a lot. We then have some Sodalite, which is a really beautiful blue colour. I feel like the more you look at this, the more stunning it gets, and I absolutely love it. It almost kind of looks like a little chip. It's really, really pretty. Then we have some blue quartz, which again, absolutely stunning. I just love all the crystals that are kind of blue and purple. They really draw to me. I don't know why. And this is another one of those kind of pieces that I just love so, so much. Then we have some pink howlite. This one is really good for anger and kind of negative vibes, I suppose. I'm not really an angry person, I'm not gonna lie. Irritated, yes. Angry, not so much, but this is a really great piece to have, and the colour of this just drew me in. It's absolutely stunning. Then we have some ametrine, which I'm not really sure what this does, but look how beautiful that is. It's absolutely stunning. And what I will say is when I was purchasing all these online, I wasn't just going for colour. I did have a little read of the descriptions, but like I said, I can't go through all that in this video. It would be so, so long. So yeah, I got some of this. Absolutely love that. I then picked up some pink agate, which is a really beautiful, lovely kind of, I don't know, this piece is just absolutely stunning. It goes from a really light pink to a really dark colour at the bottom. I just absolutely love that. So I picked this one up as well. Then I picked up some green calcite, which is a really beautiful, this almost is like such a milky green. It looks white on camera, but I promise you it's almost like a pastel mint kind of colour. It's very, very pretty and absolutely love that. And the last kind of tumbled stone that I got was the pink opal. Now this one was a bit more expensive. I do remember, I think it was probably about £3. This one was also about £3.50, but really, really beautiful, and I don't know, something about it, I just had to get it. So picked up those as well. So I put all my tumbled stones into this, and this is what it looks like, and I just absolutely love it. So picked those up. Really impressed with that. So now moving on to all of my rough crystals, so not tumbled and not massive. So the first one is this. Now I actually did get this a few years ago, but I thought I'd include it because I don't know what this is, and I feel like you guys watching will definitely be into crystals, or you might just watch my videos because you're supportive. But if you're into crystals and you know what this is, please let me know. It's a really beautiful kind of teal colour with some kind of almost clear quartz on top. It's really, really stunning. and I just cannot remember what this is for or what this is, so please let me know if you know. I would really appreciate the help because I can't remember, so yeah. The next two pieces I have were also from the Psychic Tree. One I believe is Aquamarine and one is Green Adventurine, I think. Unless this is Aquamarine, I don't know. I don't know what this one is. This one was just in the package. Maybe it was a freebie, I have no idea, but I'm not sure what that is. But I also have these two, absolutely love them, and I really like the kind of rough, more natural pieces. I just really like the way they look. Then I have some orange calcite. Now I really love the way this looks. It almost looks like a orange fruit pastel sweet. I really love the way this looks, and I don't know, something about this just really drew me in, and it's just really pretty, so I got some of that one. I then obviously got some citrine. I couldn't not. Similar to the bracelet, really good for promoting towards wealth and success, and I just absolutely, I just love the way this piece looks. It almost looks like a piece of fruit, I don't know, so pretty, love that. The next one I got is called calcite cluster, I'm not too sure, but I absolutely love the colour of this so much. It basically matches my jumper and I'm obsessed. I think this is so beautiful and I just couldn't not. I saw it on the website and I thought, you know what, I need a piece of that, and I believe it was quite expensive. I want to say it was about £7, which is a lot of money for something this small, but I'm really happy with this. I just love that so much. Then I just picked up some clear quartz, very inexpensive again. I know this is really good to help kind of cleanse and balance your crystals, I believe, so I thought I'd just get a little piece of this to pop in the middle just to keep them all kind of nice and cleansed, and it's just really pretty. I do want to get a bigger piece of this, but I just thought, oh, throwing it, just thought I'd get that piece for now, and I love that. The next piece is one of my favourites, and that is some smoky quartz. Now I have seen some incredible smoky quartz towers that are very expensive, which I would absolutely love, and I definitely will get one day, but this will do me for now. It's just a beautiful piece of smoky quartz. I don't know, something about it just really draws me in, and I don't know what it is, so yeah, I got a piece of that. Really love that. And lastly, before I move on to the bigger pieces of my collection, is this piece of garnet. Now this was £12 from the crystal store in Bath, and I mainly got this because it was my birthstone, and I think it is right for me to have a piece of this in my collection. It's a really beautiful stone because it looks black, but actually in the right light it is red, so I really love this, and the shape of it was nice, and it just feels, I don't know, it just feels really nice in my hand, so I'm really impressed with that. So the next two items, I'm not too sure what they are. I think they might be a geode or something, but I'm not sure. The first one is this. I have had this in my kind of, I want to say collection, but it's not really been a collection until recently, but I've had this for a very long time. Again, it's a beautiful purple colour. I think this has been a little bit bleached because it was on my windowsill, and now I realise that you're not supposed to put them in your windowsill, but I think this is a geode because it is kind of like a rock on the back, but such a stunning piece, and I just wanted to include it. And then my mum and dad actually picked me up this when they went to Lyme Regis. It is a coaster. There is no way I would put a coffee cup on this. It's just too beautiful and delicate, but what I am going to be doing is popping a few crystals on top of this, and it's just stunning. Sorry, you can see my lights, but I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just such a beautiful purple kind of, oh, I don't even know. It's just absolutely stunning, and I'm really happy with that. So I got a piece of that, and I'm so thankful, and it's just stunning. So can I say stunning anymore in this video? Probably not. The next piece is a BGS tower, which was £22, and I cannot remember for the life of me what BGS stood for, which is really annoying. So to any of you guys that are into crystals, please let me know down below. I cannot remember, but this is stunning. I have to show you it with the torch. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. The glitter in this is absolutely incredible, and it's just so beautiful. Again, Ryan actually picked this one out. He said that it was just so pretty and it just drew him in, so I got this one. And again, £22, quite expensive, but I do want to get a few different towers because I think it just looks really nice kind of to go with your collection, so I had to get that. And the last four pieces, so two of them are the same kind of thing. I have two bigger chunks of rose quartz, again really good for love and that kind of thing. This one is a rough piece. My mum and dad got this for me when they were away, and this one is a more smooth point piece, and again absolutely love rose quartz. You cannot have enough rose quartz in my opinion, and I just think it's stunning, so I have both of those. And then last but not least are 2 pieces of amethyst. The first one is a smooth kind of point, which is really stunning. Again, this was from the Psychic Tree along with the smooth rose quartz. I believe this was about £20, very expensive but beautiful at the same time. And then I have this piece of amethyst, which I got from a stall in Bath, really random. This was £7, so absolute bargain in my opinion. £7, and it's so beautiful. So I picked this up because I couldn't not. So picked this one up as well. So that is everything for my massive crystal haul. I've pretty much bought all of these in the past few weeks, apart from a couple, but I thought I would show you those anyway just to include them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you are into crystals, or if you're not into crystals, or if there's any crystals you think I should buy or that I need in my life, let me know. I really want to get a piece of, is it citrine? Is it citrine? Can't remember now. It's the like dark red one, but I know I want to get a piece of that. But other than that, I'm not really sure. So let me know down below anything you think I should get. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if there's any other videos on crystals you would like to see. And that is everything. Have a good day. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.